I'm showing the unit 603 that's located 151. Let's take a look inside. That's a 3 bedrooms. That's the cheapest apartment, 3 bedroom. Let's take a look here. Okay, we have here the first bedroom here. Okay. They need to do a full renovation. This is 100% original. But the 3 bedrooms below the $400,000. Okay. That's the second bedroom here. You have this bathroom. This bathroom basically is a guest bathroom, and it works from this one here. That's mean the people coming to visit, they use it, and that's from this apartment, from this. Okay. And this here we have the laundry, the air conditioner. The kitchen, like I said, is original. We have here is a very good space. That's the view. You're able to see the view, a little bit from the skyline, from the Sunny Isles, because 6th floor, we don't have the view from the ocean. Let's take a look here. Here, that's the master suite. It's a very good size. Okay. The hurricane impact window. There's a good size closets. It's a good opportunity for you to have your 3 bedrooms apartment close to the beach, close to Aventura.